Hello, my name's Taylor from Scenic RV in Baraboo, Wisconsin, and this is the Sierra 403 RD, and we're going to take a tour of it. You come into the living room and you have opposing slides with two couches that pull out into beds. You also have your theater seating, which is super comfortable. If you look up on the ceiling, you have a 15K air conditioner, and there's two of those in this unit. Electric fireplace with a JBL speaker system, and you have a TV that comes up and down out of the counter. You come into the kitchen, you have lots of cupboards. All the cupboards and the drawers are soft close. It has solid surface countertops, and it has a full-size refrigerator, which is super energy efficient compared to a camper fridge. You turn around from your kitchen and you have your beautiful dining area with a pop-up wireless charger and big, beautiful panoramic windows. Come into the bathroom, you have a beautiful big shower, porcelain toilet, and a ginormous medicine cabinet, max air fan on the ceiling, and a wonderful skylight. Come into the bedroom, you see you have a queen bed with two nightstands. You have outlets on each side of the bed. When you lift up the bed, you have storage underneath there. Again, another 15K AC in here. You have a nice size closet, which is washer and dryer prepped if you choose. You also have a wardrobe slide in here, which gives you lots of closet space and still allows you to be able to walk around the bed nicely. With 2-inch thick sidewalls, it has a Tough Flex PVC roof. It's a seasonal protection package, and it has a 45K BTU heat, 60,000 BTU tankless water heater, and it has a detachable hitch which quickly unbolts and rebolts in case certain restrictions are required.